Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 5 yoga poses to reduce depression. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As you might know, depression is one of the most common mental disorders. It may differ from person to person in symptoms. Its causes may be clear to you, may not. It is possible to have not any definable cause. Many psychologists suggest consulting with an expert, but as many types of research have proven that yoga could have a great impact on people who experience depression, we decide to exceed this video to the 5 most effective yoga poses that reduce depression symptoms. The reason is that yoga reduces cortisol levels. Cortisol is known as a stress hormone. Besides, mindfulness and breathing practices are 2 intertwined parts of yoga that lead the body to relaxation and meditation. These 2 are also associated with reducing cortisol. In this video, we choose the best yoga poses for this purpose. So, if you are suffering from depression, stay with us to the end of the video to receive the instruction completely. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Butterfly Pose. This pose is a wonderful pose for starting yoga. It is easy and beneficial. As most of us work in seated poses, this pose could help us a lot to give a rest to our body, especially our thighs and back. During the pose, we should have a great focus on our breathing. Inhales should be deep and slow, and this is the reason why this pose helps and reduces stress, depression, and anxiety. Butterfly pose is really simple to do. Just sit on your yoga mat, bend both knees to form a winged butterfly pose, which means your soles should press the other one. Keep your spine tall and straight. Hold your toes with your hand. Try a little up and down movement in your knees like a butterfly. Inhale deep, exhale slowly. Keep the pose for 1 minute. Number 2. Child Pose. Child Pose, or Balasana, its Sanskrit name, is best known for its impact on the brain. It helps your brain to be calm and deal with depression and stress. If your stress affects your sleep, this pose will help you a lot. It not only stretches your back, your neck, and your hips, but also releases tensions in your chest, spine, and shoulders, which leads you to have a relaxed body and brain. Allowing the forehead to rest on the ground has an effective impact on your blood flow, which helps reduce stress and depression levels. Child Pose has some variations. No matter which one you have chosen, all of them have these benefits. We will give you instructions for the most used one. Come to your mat, make your knees as wide as your mat, bend until your belly is between your thighs, and your forehead is on the ground. Place your arms straight forward on the side of your head with the palms facing the mat. Notice that there shouldn't be any pressure on your neck. Keep your neck normal and neutral. Number 3. Upward Facing Dog. This pose is one of the most effective stretch poses which help improve strength, flexibility, as well as mental benefits. One of them is, it fights tiredness and at the same time gives you a better sleep. This pose is considered one of the top yoga poses, which is helpful to deal with mood disorders, stress, and depression. As the physical benefits we could mention: boosting body posture by helping to be more flexible leads you to prevent bones and joints injury, relieving spine and lower back pain, which makes you fit and healthy. Helping to treat lung problems like asthma by improving lungs capacity. Improving the digestive system by a gentle massage to your abs muscles, which include your stomach and liver, will result in an improved digestive system, flushed out toxins, and a healthier body. For doing this amazing pose, you should lie on your stomach at first, straighten your arms and legs, toes on the floor, place your hands beside the body, bend the elbow, now lift with your torso, look forward and slowly move your head backward until you feel comfortable. Breathe deeply and slowly. Hold the pose for 60 seconds. Don't try an upward facing dog if you have shoulder and back pain, or injury. Number 4. Dolphin Pose. This pose could be considered a great whole body workout. It increases your flexibility, opens your back, shoulders, spine, and hips. It engages the core muscles and hamstrings, too. Other physical benefits could be a help to reduce blood pressure, to improve the nervous system because of its inverted V position. It boosts your blood flow to the brain, which also causes mental advantages like improving concentration, memory, awareness, and decreasing depressive symptoms. Among yoga poses, the Dolphin Pose is famous for fighting insomnia and headache. It is not difficult to do. Imagine you want to make a triangle with your body and the ground. Straighten your entire legs, toes on the floor, heels are about an inch up the floor. Now slightly put your elbows on the floor, your arms should touch your ears, and your back should be completely straight. This is an inverted V position. You can place your palms either on the floor or hold them together. Number 5. Half Moon Pose. This pose may be a little challenging, as it needs focus and balance. Besides its mental advantages, which are to boost your mood and energy, to keep you positive and confident, to help you have more control over your anxiety and depressed feelings, it has physical advantages too. Such as, strengthen your lower body, which includes hips, legs, hamstrings, and quads. This pose is considered a treatment for sciatica pain because it decreases inflammation. And if you are the sort of people that have a dominant leg and the other leg is noticeably weaker than the dominant leg, this pose will be great for you to bring a balance between your legs, and a huge improvement in your posture, because while you are doing half moon pose, you have to use both legs evenly. The standing leg has engaged because it bears the body weight, and the raised leg has engaged because it should remain parallel to the ground. Also, it makes your core stronger, because in this pose the core is responsible for keeping the balance of the whole body. Begin this pose by straightening your arms, place one of your palms on the floor, lift the opposite leg until it is parallel to the floor, your leg should make a 90-degree angle with the other leg, both of your arms should be in a line which is 90 degrees to the ground, look at the ceiling or sky. It is challenging and maybe not easy, but if it challenges you, it means that it will change you. So, if you or people you know have depression issues, it is worth trying these poses. It may not be a long-term treatment, but it surely has a positive effect on your daily mood. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.